To the Mitra story, I mean, I think this all started, back in, 2009 when Ravi was looking to start a business, and he keyed in on wind power as one of the sectors that is going to be the next impactful or, growth-driven sector in India. I was working in a similar sectors and moved back and joined Ravi in his endeavor to start this company, and it has been a fantastic journey so far. I think we started with zero capital and a huge dream in our pockets, and essentially with the idea of creating a utility scale wind power company in India. Along the way, we did some really, really interesting things. I think the DNA of the whole organization, and we can go into examples about it, has been to be innovative, entrepreneurial, think out of the box, and also at the same time create a culture of good corporate governance, which we thought was really lacking in the country, and that was one of the things that was holding back the growth of several organizations within the country. I think when we went, I think there are 4 or 5 things that differentiated us. I think we had a grand idea, we had a fairly easily palatable and understandable execution story, and I think people perceived the company and the founder Ravi as a very strong executor, but at the same time somebody who has a very strong value system. We raised our initial capital from AIM, and we got funding from some of the largest institutions in the world, fundamentally based on, of course, the founder's strength and the business plan. And since then, I think thanks to the team, thanks to the circumstances, and thanks to the sector, I think we have executed at least 80% of our plan, which is a remarkable achievement for an infrastructure.